how are you? In Italian, come stai? Come stai? How are you? Come stai? Here, come means how, stai means are you or you are. So we can say, how are you? In Italian, come stai? Come stai? Then, how are you? This is the formal way. Come sta? Come sta? How are you? Here, come means how, sta means you are. So we can say, come sta? Come sta means how are you? Come sta? How are you? And this is the formal way. Then, what's your name? What's your name in Italian? Come ti chiami? Come ti chiami? Come ti chiami means what's your name? What's your name in Italian? Come ti chiami? Here, come means what's, ti means your, chiami means name. Then, what's your name? This is the formal way. Come si chiama? Come si chiama means what's your name? And this is the formal way. Here, come means what's, si means your, chiama means name. So we can say come si chiama? What's your name? And this is the formal way. Then, where are you going? Where are you going in Italian? Dove vai? Dove vai? Dove vai means where are you going? Here, dove means where. Dove, where. Vai means you are going. Vai means you are going. So we can say dove vai? Where are you going? Then, where do you live? Where do you live? In Italian, dove abiti? Dove abiti means where do you live? Here, dove means where, abiti means you live. So we can say dove abiti? Where do you live? Dove abiti? Then, what are you doing? What are you doing? In Italian, che fai? Che fai means what are you doing? Here, che means what? Fai means you are doing. So we can say what are you doing in Italian? Che fai? Then, what do you want? What do you want in Italian? Che cosa vuoi? Che cosa vuoi means what do you want? What do you want in Italian? Che cosa vuoi? Here, che means what? Che cosa means what? Vuoi means you want. Then we can say che cosa vuoi? What do you want? Then, what are you doing? What are you doing in Italian? Cosa stai facendo? Cosa stai facendo means what are you doing? Here, cosa means what. Stai facendo means you doing. So we can say cosa stai facendo? What are you doing? Then, what time are you coming? What time are you coming? In Italian, a che ora vieni? A che ora vieni? What time are you coming? Here, a che ora means what time. Vieni means you come. So we can say a che ora vieni? What time are you coming? Then, why are you late? Why are you late? In Italian, perché sei in ritardo? Perché sei in ritardo means why are you late? Here, perché means why, sei means you, in ritardo means late. So we can say perché sei in ritardo? Why are you late? Then, where are you? Where are you in Italian? Dove sei? Dove sei means where are you? Dove sei? Here, dove means where. Sei means are you or you are. So we can say dove sei means where are you? then. How do you do this? How do you do this in Italian? Come si fa questo? Come si fa questo? How do you do this? Here, come means how. Si fa means do you. Questo means this. So we can say come si fa questo? How do you do this? Come si fa questo? How do you do this? Then, is everything okay? Is everything okay? Is everything okay in Italian? Va bene, va tutto bene? Va tutto bene? Is everything okay? Here, va tutto means is everything. Va tutto, everything. Bene means okay, so we can say va tutto bene. Is everything okay? Then, are you hungry? Are you hungry? In Italian, hai fame? Hai fame means are you hungry? Here, I means you were. Fame means hungry. That means we can say hai fame means are you hungry? Then, are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? In Italian, hai sete. Hai sete means are you thirsty? Here, I means you are. Sete means thirsty. So we can say hai sete. Are you thirsty? Hai sete. Are you thirsty? Then, how much does it cost? How much does it cost in Italian? Quanto costa? Quanto costa means how much does it cost? Here, quanto means how much. Quanto means how much. Costa means cost. So you can say quanto costa, how much does it cost? Then, can I come in? Can I come in? In Italian, posso entrare? Posso entrare? Can I come in? Okay? Posso entrare? Here, posso means I can. Entrare means come in. So we can say posso entrare means can I come in? Then, can I help you? Can I help you? In Italian, posso aiutarti? Posso aiutarti means can I help you? Here, posso means I can. Aiutarti means help you. So we can say posso aiutarti means can I help you? Then, where are you going? Where are you going in Italian? Dove stai andando? Dove stai andando means where are you going? Here, dove means where, stai means you are, andando means going. Then we can say dove stai andando? Where are you going?